my beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. The other day I did a really fun pour called Fly Away, which was a transparent base pour using some really beautiful colors, especially the Amsterdam Pearl Green. And it had a very dark greenish black base coat background, and I was really looking forward to seeing that pearl green bling against that darker base. But I had also used this DecoArt Amaze-Mint, which is a really pretty color, and for some reason this just took over and we didn't see that hardly at all. So I want to play with this again and change a few little things, mostly how I put down the paint and the order that I put down the paint. So we're going to get started. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have pre-painted the sides and edges and the top with Golden's Prussian Blue. I didn't use the green tonight because I wanted to use something that I knew was going to be color fast and dry the color that I knew it was going to dry. So Golden's Prussian Blue, we're going to use the same other colors. Let me show you real quick. This one is Artists Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Wonderful color, really, really beautiful. And in the last piece, I wish I had used more of this, so I'm going to tonight. This one is the Amsterdam Pearl Green, which dries in that beautiful iridescent shift, going from a creamy pearl color to a really pretty soft ethereal floating green. But it's a really beautiful color, so I'm looking forward to seeing that on top of the dark base. We also have Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold for HOA. And we have some of Kelly's Feral Cloud mix here, which is our white. This is the Artists Loft Soft Body White with Vallejo Pearl Medium and some American Floetrol. And I think water in this one too. And then this is that Deco Art Americana in Amaze-Mint, which is very pretty, and I am going to use it. I'm just not going to use it as much. So, and then I also have here my transparent base coat. Nice and creamy, not too thick, not too thin. So what we're going to do, we're going to put down a puddle of transparent base coat. We're going to tilt it out just a little bit. We're going to put our colors down. We're going to finger paint some magic into this, and then we're going to tilt it out. So this is going to be cool. Let me tilt that a little bit. Some room to play. All right, we're going to start with the pearl green because I want to. I'm going to torch this first. I see air bubbles, and I don't want air bubbles to disrupt our composition. Now, we're going to start with the pearl green, and I'm going to use more of it this time than I did in the last painting because I really want to make sure this shows up. So we're going to start with some lines. I did this once before in a different piece, and I really like how it turned out. Okay, we should definitely be able to see it. We're going to use that metallic cobalt coming through here. Put some gold in there. I'm going to put a little bit of white. And then we're just going to do a tiny bit of the Amaze-Mint, and I'm not going to put it next to the pearl green. I guess we're going to go right in here. Okay. All right. Do you think we need more of any specific color, HOA?
Nope.
But I kind of want to... Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I like the splattery. Okay. And I want to do that again with the pearl green too. Okay. Cool. I'm just use the end of this paintbrush. No, I'm gonna use my finger. Oops. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay. Cool. Let's dance. Put this down. And we want to anchor the colors. Ooh, rolling over itself a little. That's pretty already. Yay. Be patient. Ooh, this is pretty. Yay! I like it. That's awesome. Just watching the weight of the paint go down that left side. I'm going to open up the top and bring some more composition down to the bottom third.
Our left or your left?
That side. Now we've moved the weight of the paint down there. Just going to take it down a little bit. I like this. It's cool. That's really pretty. I love that drag and the transparency of those layers. Really cool. Yay! What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
see. I see little bits of the Amaze-Mint. It's very pretty in there, and I'm happy that it's not taking over. It's like a background player. I'm loving the metallic Cobalt Blue and the 24 karat gold. I see the Pearl Green in here also. I don't know, we'll see. I think it's gonna work out okay. But the only thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna take my stick and I'm just gonna attach that there. Okay. This is really pretty. I love this whole section. Really, really cool. So this is awesome. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. We'll be right back with our dried results. Just gonna take this down just a tiny bit. Cool. Okay, here we are with our dried results a couple of days later. This one turned out really beautiful. I'm loving all of these details in here. Up there on top we have a little bit of the pearl green and some of that metallic cobalt and the 24 karat gold. Just a little bit of the Amaze-Mint and some of our ethereal cloud mix. And then down here as we move we get this beautiful transparency. Really cool stuff. The gold is super blingy. HOA, can you tilt it just a little bit for us, please? Back towards me a little more. There you go. So pretty. So this one turned out really, really beautiful. I love that Prussian blue as the base, and all those colors are absolutely gorgeous. So this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.